This is keying on PIERO. When I lay down this arrow, it sits on top of the player. This isn't really the best look, especially with graphics like the player marker. Some of the graphics, like the spotlight, look reasonably good, but we can improve all of them by using a key. In PIERO, the key is like using the pitch as a green screen. In the effects panel, hitting the key will put a key on the timeline. PIERO will provide a default key, which can be handy when we're in a hurry. For the best key, clear the default key so a new key can be defined. What you key depends on your court or pitch. On football, I want to just key grass. Draw boxes on the green of the pitch and PIERO will sample all of the colours in the box. Make sure there is nothing other than grass in the box. Drawing large areas of green allows us to sample many colours at once. Just ensure no players or lines are in the selection. We can draw as many boxes as we like. For extra precision, handy when dealing with green fringes on low quality footage, the keying tool can be used with the PIERO magnifier. It can be worth scrubbing through the clip if the camera pans to sample the whole pitch, especially if there are large shadows on the pitch. This will give us a good key that we can test using the monochrome overlay, showing us what is keyed and what is not. As you use PIERO more, you'll find what level of detail is required for you in your use case. A super precise key isn't always necessary, but it is certainly a good place to start. Now when I lay down graphics, they make use of the key, giving us an extra layer of depth to our analysis. Here is before and after. Environmental luminance factors changes in the luminosity in the key. Since dips in luminosities within the key are normally caused by shadows of the player, we can effectively preserve the player's shadows on our graphics, leading to a very realistic look on graphics like logos. Unfortunately, the players in my clip don't have any shadows. If your sport is not on a grass pitch, please check our dedicated PIERO or the user guide for further information on keying. And that concludes how to key in PIERO.